Turn a simple dollar store find into the perfect dessert and party favor all in one. It took a little creative vision, but my next guest turned a cheap plastic container into a s'more coffin. We love connecting with new creatives like Ashley Robison, who is joining me today through the screen. Hi, Ashley, how are you?
Hi, Brooke. I'm doing well. How are you?
Good. So glad to have your creative spark part of our show today. You created the cutest little s'mores box, as I said, from just a plastic container. Walk us through this idea, this transformation.
Oh, thank you. So this is the little s'mores box that I made. These plastic coffins, like you said, are at the dollar store. And I know sometimes it can be overwhelming to think about finding enough of these for a party. So if you were not aware, you can actually order on their website. So I got my entire party set. I saw those in store.
I didn't know you could do that.
I got the entire party set online. So that's kind of a tip if you are not aware. But I took the little coffins and I lined them with a piece of parchment paper. So I didn't want anyone to get grossed out by my dollar store plastic. And then I just added 4 little graham crackers inside.
Okay.
And then I put 2 of the little mini Hershey bars in there. These ones probably won't look as cute as the ones I had more hands for. And then I used the little ghost Peeps as my marshmallow.
Oh, adorable. So it's like it was meant to just slide right in there.
They slide right in there. And if you haven't had a s'mores with a Peeps, they're the best because they kind of crystallize and they're awesome. So I just lined those up like that.
Super cute.
And then I just attached my s'mores kit, with a ribbon. And then these are my party favors. So we're doing like a movie outside and the kids are going to roast s'mores, marshmallows. And so they're each going to get this. It was really inexpensive and I think they'll enjoy it.
Ashley, thank you for sharing the idea. Where can we get more ideas from you?
Oh, thank you. My Instagram is ashley.robison.
All right. We'll meet you there. Thanks again for sharing and for the good tips.
Bye.